this Murli, it makes a very hypnotic sound. And when the gopis hear the Murli, they become hypnotized. They become transformed. They just fly on the wings of that sound. They put their ears, the gopis put their ears on the wings of the Murli, and they fly to Krishna. The Murli Vadan, the shabda of the Murli, the sound, they just fly right to Krishna. So she says, I want to play with that person. I want to see that person and be again with that person I knew, that Murli Vadan, that Madhura Murli Panchama Jusha. Jushe means I want to hear that delightful, sweet Murli playing the fifth note, Panchama. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, pa. So pa is high, but it's through the Murli pa, so the tone is very deep. And then she says, Manome Kalindi Pulina Vipanaya Spriyati. I am desiring, and I'm even seeing in my mind those beautiful Vipana. We say Vipan Bihari, Krishna who enjoys in the forest. Vipana means forest. So she's saying, Kalindi Pulina Vipanaya Sprihayati. In translation, O Saki, I'm meeting my old friend here at Kurukshetra. I am the same Radharani, and he is the same Krishna. Now, we are meeting together. Yes, it is very pleasant, but still, I want to be on the bank of the Yamuna, underneath the trees of the forest there. I want to hear that sweet, beautiful vibration of Krishna's flute playing the fifth note within the forest of Vrindavan. So Rupa Goswami wrote this on a palm leaf, and he put it in the roof of his in the thatched roof of his cottage. He just stuck it up there to store it, because there's all this thatch. You just weave it right in, because it's like cardboard. Lord Chaitanya came to visit Rupa Goswami at Siddhabokul, where he was staying with Haridas Thakur, and he immediately saw that, and then he read it. Then he read it to Swarup Damodar. He said, "Listen, this is written by Rupa." So everyone was amazed. Wow, Rupa! How could he understand the heart? How could he understand the heart? But I already told you. Sri Chaitanya Mano Bhishtam. Lord Chaitanya embraced him in Allahabad, Dashashwamedha Ghat, and he transferred his heart into Rupa Goswami. It's like two lovers that they embrace. They're having a feeling, oh, I just want to take my lover and put it and just bring him right inside my heart. It's so dear to me. So Rupa Goswami, Lord Chaitanya brought Rupa Goswami right into his heart and turned his heart into, Rupa Goswami's heart became the heart of Mahaprabhu. Sri Rupa. Sri Rupa Manjari, Sri Rupa Goswami. So Swarup Damodar Goswami did not understand what Lord Chaitanya was saying in Rath Yatra. Rai Ramanand didn't. He's the examiner, and he couldn't understand.